Hi guys, so we're gonna do another vlog. This time we're going to Prince Edward Island with my family, and yeah, right now it's a road trip, so we're gonna drive through there. So it's gonna be a couple of days of driving, then we're gonna visit. So yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Bye. So what's up, guys? We made it to Prince Edward Island. It was a 10-hour drive, I think. And so yeah, so in the next day we're gonna visit around the north and south, but that's the first 2 day of driving. So hope you're gonna enjoy. So we are visiting a lighthouse today, and that is the view from on top of the lighthouse. Next one is gonna be a better view, but that is crazy. It's pretty hot here. Hope you enjoy. So we're gonna taste some winery. We're at the Maros Winery and Distillery. So we're gonna have tastes from a couple of Chardonnay and some other drinks. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna be.